to forget what happened to us, what happened to me, what happened as I let it slip. I was confused by the powers that be, forgetting names and faces. Passers-by were looking at me as if they could erase it. Baby, did you forget to take your meds? Baby, did you forget to take your meds?
The sound is good, right? Can somebody confirm if the sound is good? Should be good now. Hello, hello. Hello. Let's see, because also I have a big delay in the video. So let's see if it's coming back soon. The sound is good, right? Okay. Can somebody... Now we are here. So we were talking about the tariff of Trump, and for that we had the biggest dump in crypto markets. And so I want to emphasize again, because the sound was not good. Check please the Twitter account you have in the chat, the Twitter, and I think it's mandatory to be in Twitter. So the thing is, like, it's very important to follow this news because it can be brutal, as you see. So the European market, still the tariff for Europe, they are not applied yet from Trump, so that can make a big explosion. And then so we have to follow up very closely what's going on in the markets, because can be a very good opportunity, but also we have to see the direction, because if something happened with Europe, that can be even worse. So let's see what the market, the money, is telling us in the order book. So right now it's not good news, because we have 80, 88, 85, so still can drop. The market still thinks that crypto can even drop more. So there is no, it's not a big resistance, 96.44. So maybe we can go to 97,800, retesting this resistance. This is quite important. If we can break 97,800, is this one, then we have hope, right? But we have to follow very closely the market, because if we have the bad news in Europe or something else, we'll see, then we can have the big correction, and then I would like to swap from long to short, right, in that moment. So let me put here the 99,999, and then here let's go 90s. Okay, so let's mark the regions of interest for the whales, and from there we'll check how much was the volume. 10,000 bitcoins in 1 hour. Wow, quite brutal, quite brutal. Huge amount of liquidations. Okay, so let's go for it. So right now we have 80, 88, and 85. 88,500 will be normal volume. That's quite crazy. 88,500 is gonna be here. This region, right? Okay, it's gonna be tomorrow. I will try to buy the light. Seems the internet connection is okay, so we are good. This one will be the first one. Then 85. This is the grid to buy. So I'm gonna change my grid, because I think I have even higher prices, and then 80. Wow, this is brutal. If the price is going here, I think it's gonna be a good opportunity, because the tariff is gonna be a negotiation, right? Tariff is basically is like bring the factories here to US, right? That's the fight, or just balance the trade deficit. Okay, so how crazy is this? Even lower. That is risky, and I don't want to tell you for the altcoins. We're talking about Bitcoin. We're talking about Bitcoin that is minus 70%, minus 8%, minus 11%. So still brutal if this is happening again. We have to break this. We have to break the 97. If not, it's gonna be blood in the markets. That's good opportunity to buy. But for the people that we're holding, that's a little bit of pain. We are used to, but it's a little bit of pain. How do you feel about all this drop? So let's go for the 97,800. And so we have to be prepared for both scenarios, right? We have to be prepared for another drop, and also we have to be prepared for, and this is going to be two, for the reversal, because at some point it's going to arrive the reversal, and Bitcoin is going to pump. Maybe it's when they agree with some deal. So now it's about news and check the market 24/7 and risk management, because now they're going to try to basically desperate everyone, and then we'll start the big pump. Because obviously the big pump for the altcoins is not going to happen with everyone expecting, right? Normally it's going to happen when there is blood in the market, and then they can pump, right? So now is critical moment, but it's a lot of energy spending, right? So the next one will be the 114,000. How crazy is this? Imagine the 140,000. That will be insane if the price of Bitcoin now is going to 114,000. And this can happen. Just, I think if you are in profit random, stop loss with warranty gains, and but you are in profits already, right? Because to me, I didn't trigger this one, but was pretty close. But I had another ones that they were successful. So just risk management. This is gonna be to follow the order book like crazy now in real time, because now there is this risk. There is this risk. Still this risk. How insane is that? In daily, we are not overbought yet. In weekly, we are not overbought. Oversold, sorry. In 4 hourly, yes. So for that reason, we are having the pump, right? So now here is the. So again, I forgot to write something that is quite important from yesterday, right? It's not about if it's gonna go down or up. It's how much it costs and how much people, if somebody want to pay for that, right? So again, this is gonna be 480 million. That yesterday they did this, right? So Europe can be a big thing, but I don't think Trump is going to announce something about Europe right now. He's going to try to stabilize the markets first, I think, in my opinion. Be 159, and then we have 88, 500, 373. That should be in a normal day, not more than this. But if there are very bad news, so the thing is like now, if somebody sells $373 million in Bitcoin, it's going to drop to this price. That's the game. But at least now it's not weekend, so they're going to have more hard time. It's going to be more expensive, right? Sorry, it's very late for me. And so this one will be 97,800. Okay, fantastic. Oh, what happened here? Fantastic, congratulations, random. Congratulations to be in profit. So this 97 is 220 Bitcoins. But, okay, great. And then, 200, no. It's $197 million. So it's super cheap. They can move to here very quickly, very, very quickly. And 14,000 will be today is 385 million. Okay, that's great. Fantastic. So there we go. Congratulations, random. Seriously, very good. And then, but stop loss with warranty gains. That's the name of the game. Yeah, there we go. Let me check very quickly Solana. So basically for me will be to buy all this region, to have orders, because as you see, can be very fast, and if have to be automated basically. So for that reason, people is placing orders in the order book, right? Because if you're going to sleep, that can happen. So I lost the stream. No, we are okay, no? Yes, still okay. Okay, so now let's do very quickly Solana. And let's check the volume. Let's check the volume. Brutal, you see? $40 billion is a lot for Bitcoin. 37 is a lot for Ethereum. XRP was insane. Solana also very big, 10. So it was brutal. And the initiation was thanks to Binance because they send money to sell a lot. And then Coinbase bought. So let's go for Solana. Just now it depends of these people that has the pen, right? And they can sign and then make crazy the markets. So 190, that's good, that's good. Here what we see is yesterday in Solana, they moved more than $100 million, insane amount of volume, but then we bounce and now we are trying to decide if it's a resistance or support this line, trend line. So we have 190, 176. So still the game, Still the game. Still not clear. So 176 will be around here. And then, by the way, thank you very much for all the likes and new subscribers that you help a lot the channel. Thank you very much to make the effort to like the video. So 190 will be another one. This is the other one. And 150, what the fuck? 158. It's not gonna happen, but there are some people putting money here. So what they do, look at this. It's not like they know for sure that it's gonna happen. What they know for sure is like, this is a good explanation. They don't gonna let the price, so if going down, they're gonna buy. They don't gonna miss the opportunity to buy 158. And the risk is quite low, right? If we have a big spike, so you can buy that. So that will be, and I want to place how much money? 79 million. This will be less than we had yesterday. This one will be, this is the 160, 67 million. But of course, the markets now, they are exhausted, as all of us. And then the 190 is 40 million. $40 million. And let's see the resistance, because the resistance are going to tell where the price. Oh, so there is not resistance. It's very small, 10,000. So maybe you're going to be lucky, random. It's not that the internet is well, it seems it's better. But maybe you're going to be lucky. I hope you are lucky, random. In fact, I'm shorting Solana now. And let's see, maybe I'm gonna get liquid. I trade so much today, but okay, so I have a little bit of profits now. I can, I will put a stop loss with warranty gains probably. And it's a small trade, but yeah, it's 20x. So it's gonna be, I'm gonna put another order to avoid the liquidation price 210, because can spike to 210 easily. Okay, so we're gonna leave the video here. Tomorrow I will try to buy a light. Thank you very much for all the likes, all the subscribers. You know, all the links you have down below in the description of the video in YouTube. And if not, we'll put a website in Twitter. And you have the Trends and Money Community website, the Twitter, and if you want to open an account in Trends and in Mexc, you have down below here the link, and it's also you can use for the website. Okay. So thank you very much. Have a very good luck with your positions, because the markets now, they are crazy, but this is a huge opportunity, right? So good luck with your positions, wealth, love, and health, and see you in the next one.